So, fun facts for those who don't know, cornflower is rich in fiber, have small amounts of protein, rich in energy. 100 grams of cornflower has 360 calories, which is good. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a new video for you guys today, and it's about weight gain. Like, this is a weight gain recipe that I use because I'm on a weight gain journey, and I decided to post this video for others who are also on weight gain journey, and well, this might help someone out there. So for this video, you'll need, or for this recipe, you'll need two main ingredients. That's corn flour and peanut butter. What you're seeing on your screen, guys, is corn flour. Yes, it's not your regular type of corn flour, the powdery dusty one, but this is more in a paste-like form, but they are basically the same thing, guys. The only difference is in the way they are being made. This corn flour right here is made from fresh corn. That's corn that's directly harvested, soaked for a day or two, and then grind. Meanwhile, your regular dusty powdery corn flour is made from dry corn. That's like the only difference. So, fun facts for those who don't know, corn flour is rich in fiber, have small amounts of protein, rich in energy. 100 grams of corn flour has 360 calories, which is good and perfect for weight gain, and low in fats. 100 grams of corn flour has 3.75 grams of fat, which makes you take weight without necessarily having all that fat on. That is perfect, just what we want, guys. So I recommend you eating corn flour more often, and you have to be consistent with it. Like, if you can eat it every day, incorporate it into your meals, that'll be good. So when you have your corn flour ready, you will need peanut butter. Sorry guys, this is also like a DIY peanut butter because my mom is like a DIY queen. She likes doing her thing, homemade and all that stuff. But this peanut butter is not different from the one you're gonna buy. Like, this one is just homemade. How is it made? We get the peanut butter grain itself, fried like in a hot pot, not with oil. Then keep frying it till it's dry and crusty, and then you grind it. Then you'll get the paste, as easy as that. For any of you who want any of these DIYs, just let me know and I'll get onto the video. So you prep your corn flour by pouring small amounts of water into like into the corn flour. This is to mix things up, like to get everything ready and smooth to be cooked, guys. So you're not just gonna do like you're not just gonna cook the corn flour already in its form as it is. So you're gonna wanna dilute it and get it ready, remove all the lumps, get it smooth so it could be easily cooked as you see me doing. So make sure all the lumps are out, because if there are lumps in it, you would definitely see them in when you're cooking it, and it's not going to be good. So make sure all the lumps are out and it's smooth, then you know you're good. So after that, you would take your peanut butter, you prep it, so you do the same thing, pour a little bit of water in it, because now it's like in a paste form and it's tight, because my mom did it like a few days ago and it was in the fridge. So you need to blend it up, stir it up until it is smooth, and when we have a smooth mixture, we will know it's ready, guys. So now the mixture has been smoothed. It took me a couple of minutes, but it's okay. So you just continue stirring it up as you saw me doing, and you'll get this pretty smooth peanut butter mixture. So this is ready to be cooked. But before that, I hope your water must have been boiled already, because you need water boiled. So when it is boiled, you will pour your corn flour mixture while stirring into the pot of water, guys. So this technique is so that you don't get lumps. So you have to pour with one hand and stir with the other, just to avoid any lumps. As you see me doing, you will continue stirring. Even after pouring, you continue stirring, and it's going to get cooked. Make sure it is on medium heat, guys. You don't want it to get burnt or whatever. So you just keep on stirring while it's getting cooked. I had some technical difficulties. I was trying to arrange my camera, but we're going to get past it. So this kind of made me to have some lumps in it, guys, because I stopped turning it. I was trying to arrange the camera, but thankfully I was able to like mash them up and press them, and I think I got rid of the lumps and got back a smooth mixture. So guys, make sure you don't stop turning that until it becomes like cooked up and solid. So now I'm just going to add water because I think it's a little bit too thick for my liking. I'm going to pour a considerable amount of water just to get everything a little bit more light and runny. So it all depends on you. Like the ball is in your court. Just do what works best for you. If you like it thick, then you don't need to add water like I did. And if you like it runny, you can add more water than I did. So it's all up to you. So now I'm just going to add the peanut butter so it could continue getting cooked with the corn flour. So I'm adding the peanut butter right now, and I'm going to mix them up together because I want both of them to get cooked together. You don't want like eating raw stuff, like they need to get cooked. So I'm going to mix them up until you can't really differentiate between the peanut butter and the corn flour. So I'm going to mix them up together. And also guys, the quantity or the amount of peanut butter you use is up to you. Like I've given you the like statistics on corn flour and peanut butter. If you want like gaining weight without necessarily having fats all over, then I'll consider you having more corn flour than peanut butter. Like the proportion should be like maybe 3 corn flour is to 1. You see, guys. And if you want more fat, then you use more peanut butter and less corn flour. So now I'm going to add more water again, and much more this time because I see it's more thick. I like it like not too watery, but runny. Like it was just so too thick for me. So I had to add water. I see me doing. Just do what's best for you guys. You don't need to follow. These are just like showing you how to do it, but all the measurements and quantities is up to you. Depends on your liking. So I'm just going to keep stirring it up, because when you pour water into it, lumps come up. So, but as you stir and go, it becomes smooth. And this, guys, is made to be eaten in one go. Like, don't make it and then keep in the fridge and say I'm going to eat tomorrow. No, when you make it, it's to be eaten right there at that moment. So I'm just checking the consistency and I'm seeing that it's good. So I'm going to leave it cook again for about 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure everything is cooked and fine. So we're just going to let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes, and I'll see you when it's ready, guys, and I'm ready to serve. So guys, it's ready now, and I'm just pouring um the mixture into the bowl. Is ready, and I'm going to be adding sugar into the mixture just to improve the taste and make it taste good and nice. You could also put honey or milk milk and sugar or honey. I don't just like putting honey in this type of things. I just feel like it's too much. But if that's your thing, then go for it. Or you could just put milk or milk and sugar. But take note, milk is also increases the calories. So you need to be counting those calories. So initially I was going to put 2, like I showed, but after mixing and tasting, um, it wasn't okay yet. It wasn't sweet enough. So I ended up adding a third one. So this is after putting the two first sachets of sugar, and I was mixing, and when I tasted, it was not good enough, so I ended up adding a third one. Like I've said throughout this video, it's up to you guys. These are just the basics or the techniques on how to do it, but the measurements and the every other thing depends on you. If you like sweet or sugar, if you just put the amount of sugar or honey to your taste. So I ended up adding a third one, as you can see me showing you guys. And a third one, and after this is what it was perfect. It was like okay to be enjoyed. And I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please send me maybe pics of the ones you did. If you tried it, show me your pics, send it to me in my email, and I'll be happy to reply to you all. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.